This is a final video to fix your PG32UCDM 60Hz input lag forever. Does your ASUS gaming monitor feel slow or sluggish right now? This problem happens because of small settings buried deep inside your hardware or system files. Most guides you see online are way too long and leave you feeling more confused than when you started. ASUS is here to make things simple and fast for you today. I have 4 proven methods to fix this lag, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for your monitor. You should pause the video right now and get ready to try these one by one, or take a quick screenshot of the screen. I will show you 4 different ways to solve this problem without wasting any of your time. You must follow the steps exactly as they appear to get your fast response time back. Follow these methods step by step, showing on the screen right now.